we are here is in a positions, such positions which related to the human beings. As a human beings, here is the period of the human beings, means that before that Jurassic, Triassic and Cretaceous periods, means Cretaceous, Triassic, Jurassic and modern periods is a period of the minds, means that Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo Neanderthal, Cro-Magnon and modern minds. Modern carrying capacity 1350 and before that 1650 cc or cubic centimeters was the cranial capacity in before. But now today here the human beings, human cranial capacity, means that's the brain capacity that requires that is 1350 cubic centimeters. We are discussing here a point that is related to not human beings, not the previous times and now not today's, but here is the discussions that minds required what the most things is required. Minds requires fames, name, fames and money. So name, fames and money is not a direct way, means that it's requires some more and depend upon only the brains. If you have a brains, you can attain money, but sometimes if suppose that you have a brain but ego is interested in your brains, your whole body is covered with the ego and the surroundings, your you have made the such environments, your surroundings, such borderlines are such lines untransparent, transparent line that cannot be seen, but it prevent you, it check you to go ahead. And you have checked and other persons who is less valuable and who have less talent and you are some more talented persons, but you are not taking that positions due to the presence of ego in your minds, your brains and your whole body covered with it. That is why you are not acquiring that positions, and in those period of times you will see that other persons who is less talented as gain grounds, and every person every person know him, and he will gain name, fame and money, and also society will give those persons, give the response, give the place value and face value to those persons who is more profitable and more value. And this is the well known and true statements that we are generally discussing on this issue per day, but we are not applying. So here is the main things, that's how do we know, how do we develop any ideas or any skills so that we can learn more. So means that development of idea means that's what demands a search, learns and study surrounding yours and your environments, that what is necessary for you to developments for earning the name, fame and all money. So it is only one thing, so that is the development of brains. Brains means that development of brain in such a way that whatever the requires it can fulfill, means that's information, whatever the information is coming here, the data. So collection of the information that is set with the data, each data we have to store, but we have stored, but we are not apply it, multiply it, and it is already stored here in our minds, and we are not apply it in our daily lives, daily routine works, and that is why we are not going ahead. We are just accumulating. It is just like a burden and having in our brains, and it will not fulfill our requirements in future and not in present times. So here is the main things, that so whatever you have learned, it should be running in a it should be running in your targets, whatever target you have decided. If these formula, these tactics, these rules, these fulfilling your needs in those period of times, so use these in data, whatever you have stored, and see that if any tactic rules is related to this, that can be applied, and that can after applying these rules and this data will fulfill our requirements related to our work, then use it applies. But the question is here that how does we use it, because a lot of knowledge, a lot of information, and have experience holders in those fields, but you have to be experience holders in every and each steps, whatever the demand and supply will requires in our daily lives. So demand is here, so supply, you will supply here. Why are you waiting for another person? You will supply. Here is the supplying, it's depend upon you. Why are you being bags? Don't be bags. Go ahead, go face to the people go face to the society, go face to the persons, and but not facing to the persons means that another usually things means that, so whatever requirements is need to the persons fulfill, but before fulfills you have to use your knowledge that was pre-existed in our minds previous times. You have learned that knowledge and but not using here. So here is the main things, that recall your brain. So whatever recalling is available, so whatever the related information is available, things minute means that only one step, only one very minute information that connect to another information, this connect to another things. If you per day things increase your thinking, your capacity, it will fulfill your requirements and give you the better platforms and provide you such a step by steps and algorithmic way, the bundle of the rules that you will apply by systematic way or non-systematic way, where it needs that you will apply, otherwise don't. If don't need, don't apply. And if the in systematic way, if you it's requires, then don't use it, then use it, and and it will properly work. And non-systematic one only use work at the needed time. So it is my best wishes with you, that's you will apply and make your life easy. Okay, thank you very much.